As a new agent, your schedule should look like this. Wake up early, work out, listen to an audiobook or a podcast, get your mind ready. And actually that audiobook or that podcast should be real estate related because you're a new agent. You don't know everything yet, and you can really never know everything. You want to be learning every single day. So I will wake up, work out, whether that's weights, jogging, whatever type of workouts you want to do, listen to an audiobook or a podcast and learn something every day. Then hit the office, follow up with your leads, follow up with your contacts, see what other opportunities are out there. Like just stay involved in real estate all day long. Like treat it the same as if you would treat a 9 to 5 where they have you, all right, I need you to do this, and this today, from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Why are you not doing things to better yourself as a real estate agent, whether you have deals or not, from 9 to 5 every single day? And I would even put in overtime if you're a new agent. Like I wouldn't, forget 9 to 5. I would be 9 to 9 until I'm where I want to be as a real estate agent. And then, then maybe we could say, all right, let's take it back now that I understand what I'm doing. It doesn't really take a whole day to get what I need done. And, I can do it in maybe 2 or 3 hours. Contact all my clients, follow up with leads, and then enjoy time with my family. But in the beginning, yeah, you might want to put in a lot more hours and actually learn the craft.